Okay, let's talk favorites. One of my favorite fruits, raspberries. One of my favorite alcoholic beverages, rosé. My favorite Spindrift, raspberry lime. We're making frose ice cubes and they're gonna be delicious and you're gonna wanna get to the beach ASAP. We're gonna add raspberries and lime slices to our frose cube, so I'm gonna go ahead and slice that lime right now. All right, now we've got our ice cube tray and we're gonna put a lime quarter and a fresh raspberry in each cube. You could obviously put whatever berry you fancy in here, but we're going raspberry lime because I have favorites and you know, it's all about me today and every day, obviously. All right, so now we're gonna add some rosé to our ice cube tray. You might be thinking to yourself like, oh my God, this is never gonna freeze. There's too much alcohol in the wine. These cubes are never gonna form. Trust me, they freeze. You just have to like give it an overnight freeze. It's not gonna happen in like a couple hours. Good things take time, right, Laura? Yeah. All right, it's full and I'm going to put it in the freezer overnight. One thing that a lot of people don't realize about Spindrift is because it's in a can, you can't see that it has this beautiful color. It's because it's made with real fruit, so it's even more delicious. And look how pretty it is. This is my friend Megan. Megan crushes anywhere from 2 to 4 cans of Spindrift a day. That's our girl.
I make a big tower of them
and then at the end of the day, she crushes them all.
Yes,
All right, you wanna try our rosé drinks?
I do.
Cheers. We got 2
I need to stop doing that.
This has been my video of favorites. Raspberry lime is my favorite. Megan is also my favorite. I want to see how you guys are using Spindrift in your cocktails. Don't forget to tag the Feedfeed, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.